guess what? We have an update.
We do?
Yes, it's all about mayonnaise.
When?
Roll the intro.
What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Yes, you are, Susan. Welcome back, everybody, to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle, do me a favor, click below. There's a red subscribe button, and then move over to the left. There's a bell icon. Click that. Then click the word all so you get all notifications when we upload great ketogenic content like this one today. Now, this one's going to be a little short video for you. It's kind of an update. Now, we will uplink the card right above us to a condiment video that we've done earlier in our career here on the channel, which we showed you all condiments that we do: ketchup, mayonnaise, ranch dressing, and caramel sauce. Well, the mayonnaise on that video was a little bit cumbersome.
Tiring.
We had to pour the oil in real slow, but since then, we've learned a new method to make the mayonnaise, because we don't use a big, huge blender here. We use a little immersion tool. We found out a better way to do it, so we wanted to give you an update just quick video on how to make the mayonnaise without pouring the oil in slow.
And that way, when we say something to where we do mayonnaise, we can just do this video so that you can go to see the mayonnaise being made instead of all having to find it amongst the other condiment video.
Right.
Also,
that way we could just link, because anytime you want to use mayonnaise and reference, hey, the potato salad, we just used homemade mayonnaise, link up above. Not right now, but this video will be linked up.
Right.
above.
Usually we link the condiments video, and so now we can do just the mayonnaise. And I've been doing it like this for a while, and I thought, you know what? I need to show an update because it's so simple. It's so simple.
It's so simple a caveman can do it, and that's why she's letting me do it.
It's about time he does something.
Let's get started. All right, guys, as I've mentioned before, Susan's out of town. She left me here alone with all the devices. I'm just kidding. Wanted to show you how we are going to do this and how it's so easy to make the mayonnaise. So first we're going to start, of course, we have the olive oil or avocado oil. Is that right?
1 cup.
1 cup. Egg. I'm going to chop that little baby right there. That sounds delicious. And then mustard. That's just gonna spicing things up a bit. That's a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we have the lemon.
2 teaspoons of lemon.
2 teaspoons of lemon. And then we've got our trusty immersion tool. What did we do last time? Susan wants me to tell you something.
What we did last time?
You can get on camera, or not on camera, but the mic. What did we do last time?
We poured the oil very, very slow.
Oh, that's right.
Forever.
Okay, so I thought we had already talked about that in the intro. But in case you missed it, last time we did a condiment video. We did the mayo, and we had to pour the oil in real slow. And that's why we're doing an update here, because Susan found out there is a faster way to do this, and that's this way, because we don't have to pour the oil in real slow. So the immersion tool.
Dump everything in, put it all the way to the bottom.
All the way to the bottom. And let's see, unlock it and then hit it. And now what?
Bring it up.
Keep bringing it up. Do I keep doing that?
All that mustard you put on the side.
Dang it! How do I get it? Got it! No man left behind.
Actually, you could be done. You're doing it kind of too long. You're doing it for the pleasure of doing it. Look at that.
Okay, so
look how quick. You are messy.
So look how fast that was. It's a lot faster than the way we did it on the other video, which I'll show you in the card above us. Hold on, we'll be right back and we'll show you how this looks at a better angle. Okay guys, that was fun. You just saw me do an immersion tool, which I've never used before. I only use power tools. But the immersion, I like drills, you know. kombucha saws.
I don't even know what that is.
Is that a thing? But
Never let a caveman do a
it's so
cavewoman's
easy a
job.
caveman can do it.
Because he forgot the salt.
What?
Yep. So let's.
I didn't
Yeah.
forget the salt. She didn't tell me to do it.
I did. I said, go get salt to taste. That's what I told him because we always say, hey, salt to taste. So I'm gonna.
Wait, did you put it in this one yet?
Add some salt because you don't want to taste this being all not salty. And there we go.
Okay, as stated before. Now you said we're not going to eat this, but
No.
here, But I will.
Oh.
But look here, the consistency. It's not running out, so it's nice. And let me see.
It's thick and creamy. But let me tell you, the consistency
Wait,
of it
wait,
is
let
no
me just-
different from doing this.
Okay, I know this is going to gross people out because there's some people out there that hate mayonnaise. They don't like mayonnaise because what is it? It's oil and egg. It's oil and egg. Okay, I get it.
And
some
lemon
people
and
hate it.
mustard.
They like putting it on potato salad, sandwiches, things like that, but they don't like when people do this.
Needs more salt.
Needs more lemon. I would think so.
Okay.
But it's a good mayo. That is your update, folks. That's the video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and leave a comment if you've made this mayonnaise for yourself. And if the oil doing it this way works better than the pour slow oil. You may like the pour slow because you like to do it that way. Who am I to tell you what to do?
It's just an easier way for me, anyway. Easier and quicker.
Okay. So until next time, keep it mayonnaise. Keto.
Why?
Well, you need mayo in your life.